In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a payment link on PayPal. This process is straightforward and can be a great way to streamline transactions, whether you're managing personal payments or running a business. First, we need to head over to the PayPal website. Open your web browser and navigate to the PayPal homepage. If you haven't already signed into your account, you'll want to do that next. Click on the login button and enter your credentials to access your account. Security is crucial, so make sure you have a strong password and consider enabling two-step verification for added protection. Once you're logged in, PayPal might ask you to verify your identity via text. This is a security measure to keep your account secure. You will usually have the option to receive a text or WhatsApp message. Choose your preferred method and follow the prompt to verify your account. It just takes a few moments. Now that you're safely in your account, let's proceed to the PayPal homepage. Here you'll find various options and tools at your disposal. You'll want to go to the summary page where you can manage your transactions and account details. From your account summary, you'll see a navigation menu or tabs that direct you to different services. Look for the link that says paypal.me or something similar that is associated with your username. This is a powerful feature that allows you to create custom payment links. By clicking on paypal.me with your username, you'll be able to create personalized payment links. These links are incredibly useful for sharing with clients, customers, or anyone who needs to send you money. You can customize the payment link by setting a specific amount you expect or keeping it open-ended for the sender to decide. Once you've set the terms, you can share this link over email, text, or social media. It's a simple yet effective way to facilitate payments without the hassle of sending invoices or handling cash. Remember, having your username linked to your paypal.me address makes it more personalized and professional. It's advisable not to share these links publicly on forums or social media, as they should be used in secured transactions with people or businesses you trust. And that's it. You now have a PayPal payment link ready to share. It's an efficient feature for anyone looking to simplify the payment process. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful in managing your transactions with ease. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to visit the PayPal Help Center or reach out to their customer support.